Hey, Chip Foose here at Foose Design. You're looking at Glenn Woolsey's E-Type Jaguar, which we've been working on now for a little over a year. We've actually stretched the back, pulled this forward because there used to be a convertible top that would fold down into this section, and we're no longer going to have a top. There's not going to be any side glass at all. This will be a full-time Roadster. We've actually cut the bottom of the glass. The windshield will be laid back. We've stretched the cowl so the windshield is also pulling back a little bit. We cut the louvers out, flipped them around, flipped them over so they're no longer coming up. They're actually stamped inward now. We cut a front opening in the hood here, pulled that all the way around. We've got a brand new grille. We've got smaller headlights with glass that's going over them. We're gonna cut, as you can see, the wheel well on that side. You don't have the tape over there like we do on this side, but the wheel wells are gonna get cut up. We've added new rockers. We made new rear quarters. They're blistered and they were actually a little bit higher than stock. They're 2 inches wider than stock. We also stretched the deck lid. As we pulled this forward, the deck lid looked really tiny, so we stretched that and also tapered it in the back to follow the shape of the rear quarter. We opened up the license plate hole in the back. It looks more like the earlier Jags, and the bumpers are gonna fit and pull around into the corners. We're still working on some taillight designs. We still have all of the interior to figure out. But the front suspension is still the Jag suspension, so is the rear. We narrowed the front 4 inches, we narrowed the rear 6 inches. We've got much bigger wheels. We're going 19 and 20 in the back, big 335s in the rear. So with the suspension all narrowed up, all the new framework that's been done, and we actually pulled the V12 out and we've got an LS motor in it.